Hello my dear students, welcome to today's class. Today we will learn picture reading comprehension. पिलामाने आज आमे नुआ पाठ शिखिबा. तुमे जेपरि इंग्रजी पैराग्राफ पढ़ी बुझी पारछो ठीक सेमती छबिटिए देखि ताकु बुझिबा आ वर्णना करिबा. Look at the picture. So you can see ambulance, doctors, nurses, police, a mother, a baby, coronavirus in the picture. By making a summary of all, we will say this picture is about corona pandemic. It also talks about role, dedication and sacrifice of corona warriors. Right? Now look at another picture. Here is your child and days of week. You can also see the child's reaction on each day. Okay, by analyzing these three things, you can say this picture is about how child's week goes. Right? It indirectly exposes our schooling system. Here is another picture. You watch it closely. This is about a science exhibition. You observe this scene. You can see three things here. Firstly, objects like tent, stalls, balloons, projects. Secondly, you can see people in the picture such as teachers, students and guests. Thirdly, you can also see their activities. For example, guests are visiting stalls, students or project makers are paying respect to the guests, the teachers are guiding their students. Okay, apart from these three things, you should apply your own creativity. The pictures highlight problems and send messages. You should identify them and express uniquely. Moreover, you should think about place and time shown in the picture. Let us now practically read a picture following the procedure that we discussed. Okay? So you open your FC worksheet 24, look at the picture and think about these questions to have the idea about the picture. Right? So this is a picture of village or city. Think yourself. It is very easy to read. It is daytime or night. Look at the umbrella. We got the idea of place and time here. Next, mark the objects. What do you see? Electric pole, wide and endless street that runs, wet machine, weights, umbrella, trolley, heap of garlic. Okay. Secondly, people and their activity. You see, two men are riding a bike. One man is walking down the street. A young man is selling garlic. This young man is focused in the picture. So, this picture is about a street vendor in your city. Let's now describe or read this street vendor. The street vendor is tall or short. He is old or young. He is fat or sound in health. Think about this. What is he wearing? A shirt or a banyan? What is he selling? Fruits or garlic? He also weighed using the weight machine. Where is he selling? In the street or in the vending zone? You can see in the picture. You see, he is looking right. Do you think he is expecting a customer? Yes. So this is about the description of this picture of the street vendor. Now we will discuss the problem or message. Do you find any problem exposed in this picture? Is there any message in it? Think deeply. The street vendor earns his bread by selling things. He is self-reliant. He is not dependent on his parents. He stands and waits long hours patiently to sell his goods. Moreover, he is also creating problems. He is standing with his trolley in the street. He blocks the street. So, traffic problem is created. He should sell his goods at a particular vending zone. This is about picture reading comprehension. Now you do the question answers given in the worksheet. Start doing. Hope this lesson is easy and joyful and something new for you. Hope you like it. Thank you.